Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is all about my silver jewelry collection. I have tons and tons of them, but I can't cover all of it in this particular video. So I picked out a few favorite pieces of mine which I wear literally to my college and some family functions and other occasions. I really believe that these small pieces and cute stuff, are something that you really want to get your hands on, and they style up your outfit and it gives a totally different look. And I won't talk any further. Let's just see how the pieces are. Let's just dive into the video. So to start off with, what I'm wearing, it is these cute simple jhumkas which are very cute, and it goes with literally everything. I really love the mirror on it. I think they're really pretty. I got them for almost, it was around 150 rupees on a street. I went to a street store and that's where I got them. And I personally buy my jewelry from Jayanagar or Commercial Street, and I'm sure you'll get it from anywhere which is like a street store. You might as well find them online like Amazon, Flipkart or any other places. So I think I got it for a really good deal. 150 was too good, though I had to bargain a little bit, but yeah.
Said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in the last drink?
Coming to the next earrings, these are these cute jhumkas which are very festive. They look so pretty, and it can literally go on your lehengas, kurtis and many other traditional outfits. I got these from an exhibition. I don't remember the place, but I got them from an exhibition and it was around 700 rupees. It is a good deal because the quality was too good, and it is real silver. I think it's a really great steal because I really love the color. Lavender is so pretty, and I wore them for my graduation as well, and yeah, they're very beautiful.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me?
Coming to this beautiful neck piece, I got this at a street store again, and it was for 250 rupees or 350. I'm not sure. It's in that range itself, and I think it's very gorgeous, and it goes literally with everything. Any traditional wear if you want to put on. It's simple and elegant, and I really love this a lot. Personally, this is my favorite when it comes to neck pieces.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets.
Coming to this one, this is also one of my favorites. God, I'm going to continue to say that it's quite gorgeous. I just love the entire detailing. I can't tell you in particular what I love about this. I just love the shape, the way it's put together, and the color is also very vibrant and so nice. And I got this for 200 or 250 from a street store again. And yeah, I pretty much buy all my jewelry outside.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if
This is one more beautiful neck piece. It's in maroon and it is quite gorgeous, and I usually wore this. I wore this for a sari which was plain, so that this was highlighting, and you can wear it with kurtis as well. It's quite beautiful. I got this for 250 rupees in an exhibition again, or a mela, one and the same, but it was a really good deal, and I really love it a lot. It's quite pretty.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all.
To the next one, it is this beautiful mandala earring which I got with this blue earring as well. I just love it. It's so pretty. I like the detailing in it, like the different kinds of beads in it. And I got this for I actually got it for a combo, so together I might have gotten it for 450 or something. Yeah, it could be. I really don't remember the price, but it was for a good deal for sure. Didn't feel like arguing with him. Didn't feel like bargaining with him.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat.
Coming to this one more beautiful neck piece. This is also one of my favorite again. I can't really decide, you know, silver jewelry is my thing. I just love silver jewelry and I'm such a hoarder when it comes to silver jewelry. And I really love the detail. And I think it's very pretty and it gives a bohemian vibes, not only with the traditional outfit. If you're wearing something flowy, like could be a white flowy gown or pastel colors, anything which is light, this will be a statement piece and it would really go very well with it. I can already imagine. It's very beautiful. I really love it, and it was gifted actually, so I do not know the price, but it is very beautiful.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but
This is the last one, last but not the least. I really love the detailing on this. I got this as a gift from one of my close friends and it's so beautiful. And I really love that it is in black in color, because I don't know why, I just love it. And yeah, I usually wear this with my black kurtas or white kurtas. I think it's really classic on them.
I said the last drink was the last drink. You make it hard to leave. We're telling secrets.
So guys, that's it for the video. I hope you loved it as much as I love. By now you must have definitely figured out that I'm a silver jewelry person. I just love them and they are my go-to. And all of these were very difficult to select. Every jewelry that I take is like my favorite, of course. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff, as you know. See you in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.